Deviation produced by prism. A ray of light PQ is incident on side AB of the prism. A normal is drawn at Q. The ray bends towards the normal and passes through QR. If there was no refraction, it would have passed through QL. The angle between QL and QR gives the first deviation delta 1. The second refraction occurs at AC. The QR is drawn forward and the emergent ray is drawn. The angle between them gives the second deviation delta 2. The incident light is drawn as PQL and emergent ray is drawn backwards. The angle between them gives the full deviation delta. So the net deviation delta is equal to delta 1 plus delta 2. Deviation produced by prism. The total angle of deviation depends on number 1, angle of incidence at first phase. Second, the angle of prism A. Third, the refractive index of material of prism. Dependence of deviation on color. White light consists of 7 colors having different wavelength. Red has highest wavelength and violet least. Wavelength of red is about 6000 to 8000 Armstrong and violet 4000 Armstrong. Speed of light in a transparent medium decreases with decrease of wavelength. Refractive index of material of prism increases with decrease of wavelength of light. When light comes out of the prism, violet is deviated most and red least. This is Newton's experiment. Dispersion of white light in a glass prism. White light is allowed to fall on one face of a prism. It emerges out through the second face in 7 colors with red at the top and violet at the bottom. When white light is passed through a prism, it splits up into 7 colors. On a screen, we get a colored patch called spectrum. Starting from the base, we get violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. We can remember this as VIBGYOR. The conclusion of Newton's experiment is white light consists of 7 colors. This phenomena of splitting up of white light into its constituent 7 colors is called dispersion. The causes of dispersion. Light of different wavelength travel with different speed in a medium. When light enters first surface of the prism, light of different colors due to the different speeds in glass get deviated through different angles towards the base of the prism. Wavelength is the characteristic of color irrespective of the origin. Light of same color from different sources will have the same wavelength. Color is the subjective property of light related to its wavelength.